How to make a no-name invisible folder. Want to create a folder on your desktop that has no name and no visible icon? Here's a quick Windows trick. Step 1. Create a folder. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. Choose New, Folder. Step 2. Remove the folder name. Right-click the new folder and choose Rename. Hold Alt, then type 255 using the numeric keypad. Press Enter. Now your folder has no name. Step 3. Make the folder icon blank. Right-click the folder and choose Properties. Go to the Customize tab, then click Change Icon. Look through the available icons and find the blank icon. Select it, click OK, then click Apply. And there you go. You now have a folder with no name and a blank icon, making it almost invisible on your desktop. Don't be left behind. Stay secure, stay updated. Like, share, and follow for more tech tips and reminders.